Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word stream. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I love to sit by the stream and listen to the soothing sounds of running water. A stream is a small, narrow river or body of water that flows continuously in a particular direction, usually with a steady and gentle current. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.